In this video, I'm going to be talking about my most critical personal injury tip. And that tip is to seek medical assistance immediately after your accident. So, one of the most critical elements to winning your personal injury case is seeking medical attention as soon as possible. Unfortunately, we do not always think about going to the doctor immediately after getting injured, as many injuries take days or weeks to show their seriousness. The best policy is to go to a doctor immediately after you have suffered an injury. Even if your physician simply tells you to take 2 aspirin and call in the morning, it is important to have a record of that visit. If you have been injured due to someone else's negligence, a simple visit to your general physician may not be enough to win a personal injury case. So by following these simple steps, you will have the most complete medical records to assist you in your case. My first guideline for when going to see your physician is to take someone with you to your appointments. The most important thing you should be doing at a doctor's appointment is focusing on getting well. By bringing a friend or relative with you to your appointments, they can keep track of the details while the physician is examining you. Your friend can be taking detailed notes on the advice the doctor is giving. This information will allow you to have additional confidence while using this advice and during follow-up appointments. My next guideline regarding a personal injury is to get a second opinion, even multiple second opinions. When you are suffering from a significant injury, having the most complete information is essential. At times, this may require a second opinion. Now, getting a second opinion is a standard practice in the medical field, and it should not offend a physician to hear that you will be seeing different doctors. Inform your physician in a matter-of-fact way that while you trust their advice, you want to explore as many options as possible and will be asking for a second opinion. The first step in this process is verifying your insurance will cover a second opinion. Next, find another highly qualified and respected physician. After you make an appointment with another physician, get copies of your recent medical records from your original physician. My third guideline is to see a specialist. Now, the opinion of a specialist will have greater weight in a personal injury case. The physicians have acquired additional training in their field and are considered experts. By retaining a specialist to examine your injuries and review your medical records, that expertise will be directed towards both your care and recovery, and to any court case that may ensue. And my final guideline is to keep excellent records. By keeping personal records of all of your medical care, you will have that information on hand rather than needing to request it from another source. These records should include which physicians you saw and when, as well as the cost of these visits. You should also record which over-the-counter and prescription medications were required and the costs associated with those medications. Many people also record the length of those visits and the cost of transportation to those appointments. If you bring a friend or relative with you, also consider the time they took out of their busy schedules to assist you. For more information on making a personal injury claim, you can visit our website at www.unifiedinjury.com. That's UNIFIED injury.com.